Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up recovery contact for your Apple ID. So let's open settings on your device, and then you want to tap your name at the top, which is your Apple ID account. Now let's go to section iCloud, and now you want to scroll to the very bottom until you see a section with advanced data protection. And here, if you scroll down, you will see account recovery. You want to press it, and now you will see here button add recovery contact. Let's press this button. Then you want to confirm with your passcode, and here you have to pick contact who must accept your request to be your recovery contact for your Apple ID. And then an automatically generated message will be sent to chosen person to inform them that you invite them to be your recovery contact for your Apple ID. So that's basically how it works. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.